So we're starting a new unit, and this one's going to be called adding fractions, okay? We're adding like fractions, and if you remember from your vocabulary, please have it handy, okay? Like means that the bottom, the denominator is going to be the same, okay? So in order for this to work, the denominator is going to have to be the same, okay? So 1/2 plus 1/2, the denominator is the same. You're going to go ahead and add the top only. That's 1 plus 1. The denominator stays the same. And then you come up with 2/2. Okay? I know that was a little bit quick, so we're going to go ahead and run problems, okay? So, okay, you have number 13, okay? If you look at the denominator, are they the same?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and keep the denominator the same, okay, when we write them over here. And then we're going to go ahead and just add 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? 8/7. Now, we're not done there, okay? Remember your skills that you learned, okay? And we have to both, if we can, simplify it. And we also have to put it as, in this case, we have to do it as a mixed number. Do you remember why we need to do it as a mixed number? Do you remember that? Okay. What number? The 8 is greater than the 7, okay? So when the top is greater than the 7, what do we do?
Add it again?
No, not add it.
Wait. Find something that's 8.
No. Divide, correct. That is correct. So we're going to go ahead and do 7/8. How many times does 7 go into 8?
1 time.
1 time, right? 1 times 7 is 7. What is the remainder?
1.
1. But remember, we don't write remainders anymore. We write it as 1/7, right? Okay? So the answer over here, if you come back over here, is 1/7, okay? Now, can we simplify that, or it's already on the smallest terms? It's already on the smallest terms, right? So again, the only reason we did that extra step was because the 8 was greater than the 7, okay? We cannot have the top greater than 7. Let's do one where that's not going to happen, okay? 12, okay? Actually, I'm running out of room, so let's go ahead and find another one. Here, 7. Do you see 7 up there? Okay. Is the denominator the same?
Yes.
Yes, right? So the denominator is going to be 12, and then we're going to go ahead and add the numerators, 2 plus 5. What's 2 plus 5? 7/12, okay? Sorry, let me scroll that down. Okay, on the video you'll be able to see it. So, is that a mixed number?
Yes.
I mean, an improper fraction?
Yes.
Okay, it's not a mixed number. Is that an improper fraction?
Yes.
Who has their vocabulary out? An improper fraction, the top has to be greater than the bottom.
Yeah.
Is the top greater than the bottom?
Yes.
No, right?
Wait. Oh.
Okay? Again, an improper fraction is one, like the one down here, where the top was greater than the bottom. A proper fraction is where the bottom is greater than the top, okay? Is that a proper fraction, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we cannot divide it, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Can we simplify it, make it smaller? No, right? So we're done with that one. Now, you may have other examples where you may have to also simplify, okay?
So how about like the top is 3 and that is 3?
Okay? You can divide, right? How many times does 3 go into 3? 1, right? Okay? So she's talking about this problem over here where you have 3 on the bottom. What is 2 plus 1?
3.
It's 3, right? Now remember, you still divide. 3 goes into 3, 1, okay? So the answer is going to be 1, okay? Now, let me do one more, okay, when we simplify, okay? Let me find one on the other page. Just give me a second. Oh, here. Actually, hold on. Okay. Okay. 4/6 plus 2/6, okay? Is the denominator the same?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, the denominator is 6, okay? Okay? So what's 4 plus 2?
6.
Oh, actually, this is going to be the same. You know what? Let's go ahead and do 2 plus 2, okay? Just for now, okay? Okay, just so it's 2 plus 2 is what?
4.
Okay. Okay, so there is a reason why I changed the problem, okay? Because now 4 over 6, is that simplified or can we make it smaller?
No, that's good.
Yes, you can. You can divide by 2, guys. Okay, and I heard some of you said yes, some of you said no. 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Remember, we always want to, put it on proper fraction. It can be a mixed number and simplify it, okay? Now, to check your work, go back to the web page, and I just added not only the work that we're doing right now, but also a calculator, okay? So, give it a second. Okay, come on. Okay. So obviously the calculator did not work, okay? Oh, there you go. Okay, so we had how many fractions? 2, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to change that 3 to 2, okay? And then for the fractions we had, let's do the one we just did right now. It was 2 over 6, right?
Yes.
And then 2 over 6.
Yeah.
And we're gonna calculate it, okay? And the answer is 2/3. We got 2/3, right? Okay. And it even tells you there, sorry, it just there's a little bit lag. We got 4 over 6, but we need to simplify the answer to 2/3. It'll tell you, what you did wrong. Okay. So go ahead and go back to day 1 and practice it. Okay. And then when you finish day 1, do day 2, because we may be done by Tuesday. Okay. This should be an easy one. Okay. Got it? Okay. Go ahead and start. Let me know if you have any questions.